Hey, Dana Crosby here, and this is to update my channel trailer and to thank the 1,300 plus subscribers to my channel. And if you are just now finding me, it's under Dana Crosby, and they're Dana Crosby's vlogs. My channel is based on my day-to-day routine of maintaining my house, the appliances, and the automobiles that I own. Currently, those are the 97, 96 Mustangs. I have an 02 Chevy Malibu that has extensive ignition problems. A 03 Ford Escape that has extensive issues. And just added to my playlist is the 03 Ford Explorer. Haven't had too many issues with that. Right now she has a misfire on number 3, and I believe that is a coil, because I had an 02 and an 03 Ford Windstar, which there's videos on, that had extensive issues, and one of them was misfire issues, and it was a coil, and it uses, I believe it's the same coil between the Explorer and the Windstar. The Escape unfortunately has individual coils to the spark plugs instead of a coil pack like are on the Explorer and the Windstars, and that can be a pain. You watch the videos, you'll be able to see that. Also, the Escape had issues with the drive shaft that a lot of people are finding. I'm also a Vivid drone flyer. I like to take altitude shots. This is a 360 camera on here. The original camera that was on here, I crashed it and broke it. I just haven't been able to spend the $300 to replace it, so I adapted. I like to tinker, so I adapted a 360 camera to it. Those are under my altitude videos. And right now, after the new laws came out, you are not allowed to put drone videos on your channel because of the fact that you, by being a creator, most likely you're also part of the partner program, so you're making money. Also FAA considers making money commercial. So if it's up here, it can't be considered a hobby. Hobby, you can fly all day long, take as many pictures as you want. You just can't publish them. Okay? Be careful where you're flying too. Do not go over 400 feet. Stay away from the airports. Any emergency situations, do not do it. Those drones, the drones that you're buying, most likely have to be registered. And if they've got some sort of tracking system from satellites and stuff like that, those are being tracked now. All the new and former DJI drones have tracking systems, and law enforcement has them. So be very, very careful. With that said, I am going through the process right now. I've been doing that since December, taking a course so I can take that test and get my 107 drone pilot license. So then I will be legal. So that's why under my altitude videos, nothing really has been updated, other than the fact that I've been doing videos of taking the course. The wife and I are raising, hey baby, 9 Shih Tzus. One of the female Shih Tzus. This is Rosie, my baby. Come here, girl. This is Silver Willow. Yeah, these are 3-year-old female Shih Tzus. Daddy, come here. Pooh, come up here. Come on. And here's Daddy. He is a Shih Tzu Bichon mix. He is now 7 years old, and you can see him in a couple of my videos because he likes to be right there with me, my little buddy. Hey, big boy, come here. Here is, come here, bud. Come on, bud. Come on, come see me. Oh, here is Bear, and you can tell why he's growly. He was actually the runt, and he's about 22 pounds right now, and he is a big boy. And we named him perfectly because he likes to growl. He just got neutered, and he is good to go. No, he hasn't had any litters. It was kind of a shame, but he has a twin sister that came out, one right after the other, and he is definitely a bear. Yeah. We have one Manx cat that he is a orange tabby American quote quote bobcat. So we have him, and he they put up with each other, put it that way. The other things that I like to do is promote. So if I buy something, I usually test it, put a video up, and then about 6 months down the road, I'll do a final evaluation on it. If I find that I have a cause that I believe a charity can be attached to, I will put a link in my videos for that. Again, maintenance around the house, everything from roofing to plumbing. When I do some traveling and I see Mustangs, because I love Mustangs, and those kind of my hobbies, I will do what's called I Spy a Stang, and you can catch those on my channel as well. Any situations that are drama, I'll put those under human drama. I'm also a certified security guard, so I'll usually put some videos up when I'm doing security under the right to bear arms and security. And under the right to bear arms, I'm a vivid shooter, handgun advocate. Unfortunately, it's 12 years now that I lost my pistol permit, and I'm going through the journey of getting that back. I'm retired military, Navy, jet engines was my field, and during the Gulf War I became a military police officer, and then I retired back in '94. I've had 3 marriages and all daughters. So I guess I can end with that. Again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you stay with me. I am getting ready to retire in the next 23 months. So, of course, the income from YouTube and other facets of income. I also dabble in the stocks, so I put those up under day trading. So between YouTube and my stocks and Social Security, I don't know. Those will be my income come July, after July 2020. I also, so that's kind of my goals at the moment. And then I'll put videos up of being retired, ways to increase your income and make it through your retirement day years. And that will be for me, that will be my 60th birthday. I am not working to 65. Sorry, that's not me. If I could have retired at 55, I would have. But I didn't do any investments prior to that. And should I say I've been doing investments only, yeah, but at that point, no way was I going to be able to retire at that point. So that's where I'm at. Again, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to comment, good or bad, because that helps me better my videos. And I hope to, again, once I retire, I can do some traveling. I can put some travel videos up there. As far as travel is concerned, I really want to be able to go back to those places that I did while I was in the Navy. I went around the world 3 times in that period of time. So I want to be able to go back around and visit those places as a tourist. So you can stay tuned for those. Again, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And we will catch you again on Dan Crosby's vlogs.